Oh, Freya. Hi guys, it's us again for another installment of JAMM. You're with Sarah and Freya, both EPs at BJC. So we're going to round out our lower limb series, I guess. So we've covered squats, deadlifts, lunges, and the final of the big four, which I think is step-ups. So step-ups are a really useful exercise in order to keep climbing upstairs for as long as possible. It's a great single leg activity, and again, a great way to introduce some core work and some balance work into your training. So again, we'll go through three main tips for doing a really good and safe step-up. So first one is knee tracking. So like some of the other movements that we've already gone through, we're very conscious to watch where your knees, hips and ankles move relative to each other. So in a good step up, we like a lunge, and similar to a squat, we want the hip, knee and ankle moving in a nice straight line. And for both phases of the movement, so it's not enough just to do it really beautifully on the way up and then forget about everything on the way down. So Freya's already looking now much better. So tip number one is alignment. Tip number two, I might get Freya to move to the side for us. So a common thing, especially if you've had some injuries to your knees or hips, is to really push off your back leg. So Freya, can you go again slowly? So you can see she's really just bouncing off, using momentum and the strength in her other leg to kind of cheat her way through the step up. So alternatively, what I'd prefer Freya to do is to really focus on pushing down through her heel, keeping herself reasonably upright as she gets up into her step up. And again, so pushing down through the leg that's actually on the step and the one which should be doing the bulk of the work. Much better. Third and final tip, so Freya, we'll switch places one more time, is your core. So although the step up is a great lower limb exercise, you also need to adequately control your core when you're doing it. And even at the moment, Freya's got weights in either hand, we still want to make sure that throughout the movement, Freya's able to keep her trunk and her hips nice and straight facing the front. Which she does here. Now maybe Freya shows the wonky one. Yes. Wonderful. Good example of how not to do a step up. So there you are. So three tips: knee and lower limb alignment. Number two is not pushing off too much with your back leg. And number three is adequately controlling your core. And you'll be well on your way to doing your step ups in great form and keeping your knees nice and safe while doing so. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for upper limb soon.